So I have this cilantro, cherry tomato, and onion. I use like half of quarter of onion, and I have pork, also iceberg, lettuce, and taco shell to make taco today. I'm gonna make like pico de gallo first, and then just chop everything. And yeah, I'm just gonna chop tomato and onion. Also, I didn't sign note cilantro root. If you cook Thai food or like Chinese food, usually they would use cilantro, but usually when they sell it in America, they don't have cilantro root for you. Like this cilantro root would make food taste so much better. Like you didn't eat it, but when you put it in a soup or something, it make the soup like smell better. And yeah, and I'm just gonna chop it only a little bit, maybe like half of cilantro, and put it in this. I know I should chop this, not like vertical. Put it in. Usually they would use like a big tomato, but I don't have it today, so I use like the normal, like small cherry tomato. So I forget to tell that I'm gonna put lime in it, squeeze in this. Okay, so I'm gonna chop the lettuce and use it inside my taco. I got this at Macco in Thailand. It's like the same thing as Costco in America, but this one in Thailand we don't have Costco. So we have the one named Macco. Chop this. I don't know, the recipe said to add carrot in it, so I'm just gonna peel it. This is hard. This kind of peeler is not designed for lefty at all. But it's okay. For carrot it works, but for like something else it's not. This is okay. There you go. Oop. I'm gonna chop. How big? Gonna grate at it. This is so hard to chop. It like cannot just wanna move. Usually I don't add carrot in my taco, but this time the recipe says so. Chop carrot, keep chopping. So I'm gonna chop more onion because the recipe said I need more onion in it. I just have only in pico de gallo and not in taco yet. So I'm gonna cube it and chop all this onion. Okay, here you go. Just chop. Okay, here you go. Just chop.
How big?
1 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 Why tears start coming out? I don't like this. I don't like chopping onion at all. I'm like crying, like my eyes start like watering. Okay, I got onion. Only like only a quarter of onion. And I'll cook it with my pork in the pan. I'll go to kitchen now. I'll add taco seasoning and onion and all that with pork and in the pan in the kitchen. Put onion in. It's like and then after it caramelized a little bit, I'll add like after it's cooked a little bit, I'll add salt in. Now I'll add taco seasoning and then stir it. Okay. So now I'm gonna add like pork and lettuce and pico de gallo in my taco shell. Like this. Oop. Here you go. I forget to put cheddar cheese on top. Okay, complete.